Intermittent problems that could not be duplicated, or when the vehicle is deemed to be operating as designed, are some of the most frustrating cases we handle. In these claims, it's not what you know, but it's what you can prove. That's why we always advise our clients that persistence pays off. Sadly, many dealerships are saddled with rising labor and technology costs, and the only diagnostics they use is plugging in their scan tool to look for a trouble code. If it's not there, they do nothing further and return the vehicle to you without giving it a truly thorough diagnostic, or escalating the case to the manufacturer's engineers. That's why, if you've had your vehicle in multiple times for these issues, and they are not duplicated, as part of your claim, we ask the manufacturer to send out their dealer technical specialist or field service engineer for further inspection. Many times, this escalation to their legal and engineering teams leads to a more thorough evaluation of the vehicle and ideally a fix and compensation for you. If you have ongoing intermittent issues and have been in multiple times for the defect, please call us today for a free evaluation of your case.